In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3-step Korean facial routine. Koreans swear by rice. They include rice in their skincare routine, which will give you the soft, bouncy, glowing skin that you need. It also treats scars, acne, reduces dark spots, and controls oil production. Rice has other benefits too. So the first step is cleansing. For that, you can use your normal cleanser which you use every day. Make sure you use a gentle cleanser, or you can use honey. Honey is beneficial for the face. It is a proven fact. Honey can be used for treating dry skin, but since mine is combination skin, I will skip the honey. You can use honey, but I'll use my daily normal face wash. This is the rice foaming cleanser from Face Shop. Second step is facial scrub. For that, again, the hero ingredient you need is rice, and with that you can add milk and massage onto the skin with your fingertips for like 5 minutes. I will do the same. I'll mix rice, and with that I'll mix milk. If you have like too much oily skin, you can use water also. Milk is not necessary, but I'll use milk. You will see the instant glow after I do this like massage or scrubbing for like 2 minutes. You can see the glow already, and you can see the before and the after effects in the video itself. My skin is glowing in the very first step itself. The third step is Korean facial mask. Again, you will be needing rice flour. It helps the tighten skin. It will give you a glass skin, and it will also moisturize your skin. For that, you can take the real aloe vera gel. Since mine is sensitive to real aloe vera, I'll use the aloe vera that I use from Pilgrim. This aloe vera gel is also from a Korean brand, so I'll take like 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera into a bowl, and I'll swirl it for some time to create a mushy kind of a gel. Okay, and after that, to this I'll add rice flour and mix it properly and swirl again, so that it creates a like kind of a mushy effect, or like a jelly kind of a effect. You will see it. See, after swirling it for so many times, it's giving a mushy. You have to do the same way, and then apply onto your face and keep it for like 20 minutes. After washing my face, you can see the glow for yourself. This is the real glow. I have not applied anything. It's just the 3-step Korean facial routine that I have tried. You can do this twice a week, and you'll get that glass skin you need.